Hi guys, well it's just before 6 o'clock and we're just about to leave now. We're going to go and get some petrol. I've got my flowers for the breeder and okay, we're outside. It's really quite dark at the minute. We're just going to go in. I'm not sure how much we'll be able to film in there, but we'll get as much as we can. Yeah.
Benefits will be switched.
You're coming home.
What do you reckon?
Okay, we've just got her in the car. We're just having a little cuddle before we put her in her little cage in the back to take her home. So there she is. She's all ready. There's little Poppy. She's clinging on and cuddling, wondering what's going on. Well, here we go guys. We've just got home. She lasted really well in the car. It was just about a half-hour journey, so we're going to put her down now, see if she'll go for a wee or if she wants a drink. And when she's settled down a bit, we'll give her something to eat, but we'll take her in first and see how she gets on. Okay, so we're home now. Inside, we're going to put her on her little puppy pad and see what she thinks. But she's doing really well. She's just clinging on a little bit here. There she is, look. Say hiya. Say hello. You can hear Bella outside barking. We're keeping the other dogs away because she's a little bit wary, as she would be. But there she is. There's little Poppy. There she is, having a cuddle with Courtney. We've got a bag there with goodies in, all the paperwork, and we've got a big, huge bag of food. And there's teddy there, and a teddy that we bought. There's all the goodies in the bag. There's a teddy that we bought. That smells of mummy, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Poppy. Poppy. Do you want a wee? Have a wee on the mat if you want a wee. Are you wagging? Come on. Oh, it's the first time she's put her feet on our floor. Can you hear Bella outside? Poppy! She's really wagging her tail. Are you happy? Well, considering this is the first time she's set foot on in our house, she's wagging really well. That's Phoebe's pram. She seems happy, doesn't she?
Gorgeous.
But she's thinking now, where do I wee? Poppy! Hello! She's so happy wagging. What's Phoebe got?
If you put it down, I smell.
Oh, she can smell her mum on it, look. Phoebe, let's have a look at your tooth. Look. Tooth missing. He's thinking that's your mummy smell on there. You giving kisses? Where are they going?
I don't know, but if you come down here, Mum. Oh, she's well brave.
She is. A lot of dogs would be probably quite scared to do that.
She's been used to dogs, isn't she, obviously?
Thing is though, she's wagging and everything still.
Hey. Hello. You've been sleepy all night. Come on then, let's go for wee-wees. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Hiya, this way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Poppy. Come on. Come with me. That's it. Let's go for wee-wees. Good girl. morning. Good morning. You clever girl. Clever girl. You giving kisses? You're so tiny. You're so tiny. Can't you get up? Can't you get up that bit? Come on then. You gotta come round this side. Come on this side. Come on. Come up this bit. Yeah. Come this bit. Look. This bit's lower. Good girl. That's it. Clever girl. She did really well. She didn't cry. She didn't whimper at all. She's been a good girl.